Okay, so there's a big controversy going on currently with the statement made by Captain Viriato, right? The BJP is claiming that this is an anti-constitution statement and that he has, defamed the constitution and he doesn't want the constitution, right? And there are a lot of BJPचो एक हे असता एक सिस्टम असता एकलो कितें म्हणटा आनी 10 जाण त्यांच्या बरोबर व्हडल्यान मागीर तेच बोबो मारता आनी तेंका दिसता ते सोत जातले म्हणून पूण एक्चुअल त्याचो स्टेटमेंट तुम्ही पळोवंक गेल्यार देर इज नथिंग रॉंग विथ वॉट कॅप्टन विरियाटो हॅज सेड त्यांनी शब्दां मातशी दुसरी वापरलेली जाल्यार आनीक बरें जातलें हालें पूण देर इज एब्सोल्युटली नथिंग रॉंग दॅट ही हॅज सेड आय विल गिव यू 3 examples of when the constitution was amended, when a state was made part of the government of India or the union government of India or the union of India. Okay, example number 1 is Sikkim. Sikkim was a kingdom, right? It was the kingdom of Sikkim. When the kingdom of Sikkim acceded to the union of India, they demanded that they will not pay income tax. This took many years to be implemented in the constitution of India, and till date we are standing today on 25th of April 2024 and आयज पासून सिक्किमान इनकम टॅक्स ना. हे कित्याक जालेलें? कित्याक सिक्किम when became part of Union of India, they had said very clearly की आमी इनकम टॅक्स आमचे 2-3 rules आहा, आमकां हे rules दवरूंक जाय. Secondly, the Kashmir issue. Kashmir also immediately did not accede and become part of the Union of India. When Kashmir became part of the Union of India, the King of Kashmir at that time, the Maharaja of Kashmir, he said very clearly that the laws that apply to the rest of India should not apply to Kashmir, and that is why Article 370 was introduced to the Constitution. Till date, you could not buy land in Kashmir. No Indian could go to Kashmir and buy land in Kashmir. They wanted to safeguard their land, and that's why they said, if you are part of Union of India, anybody from India will come and buy land in Kashmir, and Kashmir will be completely populated. So till Article 370 was revoked, there was a rule that people could not buy land in Kashmir. So again, there were changes made to the constitution to accommodate Kashmir when Kashmir was brought into the Union of India. Same thing with Pondicherry. There were a few laws, I won't get into details, but when Pondicherry was a French territory, when Pondicherry got independence from the French and it got acceded as part of the Union of India, Pondicherry also had put some rules and regulations that the people of Pondicherry can do certain things that the rest of the Union of India cannot do. So that's all that Captain Viriato said. He said that when Goa was liberated from the Portuguese, they should have been given a certain amount of leeway. They should have been given a certain amount of room to have a certain amendments to the constitution so that Goans who have dual citizenship can make use of the citizenship that they have with the Portuguese government. That was the whole idea of what Captain Viriato said. He has nowhere said that the constitution of India is wrong. On the other hand, the BJP has attacked and tried to demean the constitution at numerous occasions. Numerous occasions they have tried to demean the constitution. They keep on changing laws that the Supreme Court keeps on striking down, saying it's unconstitutional. I can give you hundreds of examples, but all of you know that. Soglang hobar aha. Their laws katta ani munta ki wo constitutional law. They have made amendments to the constitution that have been struck down by the Supreme Court. The CAA is the biggest example. The CAA and NRC is the biggest example. It goes against the basic fact, the basic rights of the constitution, which is we are a secular democratic country. They are trying to remove the word secular from the constitution by doing the CAA and NRC amendments. This is a very, very direct attack on the constitution. And these same people have the audacity to say that Captain Viriato's statement was against the constitution. This is absolutely ridiculous. It's absurd and ridiculous. So this controversy should stop immediately. The Bharatiya Janata Party should talk about unemployment. They should talk about Madhe. They should talk about the environment in Goa. They should talk about the number of tourists that come to Goa and how those tourists are not getting better tourism opportunities in Goa. They should talk about everything under the sun that is going wrong with this country rather than stick to a stupid fact about Captain Viriato's statement about the constitution.
विरियातो उलयते सारकें अशें तुमी म्हणटा.
हांव म्हणटा विरियाटोन पळय मांडला त्या भाशेन सारकें न्हू. तेणें एक शब्द वापरला, ते शब्द वापरचे नासले. चूक जाली तेजेर. पूण तेजे अर्थ जायना की तो कॉन्स्टिट्युशनाक मानिना. हे अर्थ कशेंच जायना. हेणी कितें केला, व्हडले प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेता आनी बोब मारता, ही इज अगेन्स्ट द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, ही इज अगेन्स्ट. अरे तुम्ही सीए एनआरसी हाडलेले, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनाचो एक आर्टिकल सामको तुम्ही नाच म्हणून सीए एनआरसी हाडलेलो मरे.
फाटी युरी आलेमावान सुद्धा एक स्टेटमेंट केल्लें जेतून एक सर्टन कम्युनिटी हर्ट जाल्ली आनी मागीर युरी बाबान माफी मागलेली ऑन पब्लीक डिमांड. तुमकां दिसता विर्या हितून अशें करूंक जाय?
ना, हांव पळय तेणें पळय आख्खो पळय स्टेटमेंट आहा न्हू, तेजेर माफी मागपाची कांयच गरज ना. तो आख्खो स्टेटमेंट हांवें एक पावट न्हू 3 पावट आयकला. तो व्हिडिओ हांवें 3 पावट पळयला. कांय गरज ना माफी मागपाची. तेणें कांयच रॉंग म्हणूंक ना. शब्द तेणी 1-2 चुकीचे वापरल्या. ते शब्द तेणी ही कुड हॅव यूज्ड बेटर वर्ड्स. इट्स नॉट इवन कम्प्लिटली रॉंग. इट इज जस्ट दॅट ही कुड हॅव यूज्ड अ बेटर वर्ड विच इज फाईन. These are technical issues with speech and conversation. See, Captain Viriato is a man of the Navy. He is not an orator. He is not a politician. He is not a speaker. तो आमचे देशाक लागून जीव दिवपाक गेल्लो थिंगा. तोहले मनशाक तुम्ही एक शब्दाचो चूक करता तेन्ना तुम्ही तेका सामको you'll put him on the speak and try to shoot him down. हे सारखे न्हू. हे बीजेपीक आनी काम धंदे ना. इलेक्शनाचे मुद्दे तेंकडे भरपूर आहा. त्या मुद्द्याचेर तेंकडे उलोवंक जायना. त्या मुद्द्याचेर ते रिस्पॉन्ड करिना. कॅप्टन विरियाटोन एक शब्द कितें चुकीचे वापरले, नाचोंक लागले सगळे ते. हे ओहले तेंका मरे कांय एक्चुअली तेंका इलेक्शन कळता आतां. द फर्स्ट फेज ऑफ वोटिंग हॅज हॅपन्ड अँड तेंका कळना इलेक्शनाचे कितें रिजल्ट जावपाचे आहा ते. म्हणून ओहले मुद्दे. दॅट्स ऑल. थँक्यू.